Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Wall of NVK. In this video, I'm showing you how I'm giving a sunset look to my lips. So firstly, I'm using the dark brown lip liner, giving the shape to my lips. Now I'm blending with the brush so it looks softer. Now I'm taking the bright acid lipstick. Smudging with the lip liner. Now I'm taking a very small amount of concealer. Now the best part, I'm taking an orange eyeshadow. This is how I make my sunset lip look. You guys definitely should try. I personally love this eyeshadow hack.